put for me the totals and send to me, not those lists.
What is that, man? Back up! Go! Back up! Back up! Let's see what is.
Today marks another milestone in our operations against the ADF in Congo. I don't remember the period I spent here. I think almost 2 years. Yeah. When we started this operation, these changes you are seeing are normal. In the army, we call it tour of duty. Major General Richard Roto is coming in from South Sudan, as he had told you. And now Major General Dick Olum is also going to replace him in South Sudan, where he was working. You have been introduced to the new division commander, with whom I think you will closely work, especially with the civilian leadership in security matters, to ensure that this peace Ugandans are enjoying in Western Uganda is not disrupted by some few elements that always try to cross from Congo because of the pressure there. There is really very good success in all the three sectors, because we divided that area operationally into three sectors: Sector 1, Sector 2, and Sector 3. Now we are in Sector 4, northwest of Beni, those areas of Luna. You have been introduced to the new division commander, with whom I think you will closely work, especially with the civilian leadership in security matters, to ensure that this peace Ugandans are enjoying in Western Uganda is not disrupted by some few elements that always try to cross from Congo because of the pressure there. The UPDF, that is Mountain Division, and the FADAC forces in the DRC, where since we started this operation, we have been achieving a lot of successes against our enemies in DRC. Although they have been crossing this end because of the pressure, a few groups that have managed to cross, I don't think any has gone back. Those who have crossed Uganda and tried to cause some havoc, thinking that we are disorganized here, they find a very organized security system, and every time they have entered, they have not gone back. Either they are killed or captured. The number of guns captured from the ADF are very many. Those put out of action, we cannot talk about that at this time. But the UPDF has done a very, very great job there. The civilian population in the Eastern DRC have gone back to their homes, right from these other areas of Mboga, those areas of Maribong, those areas of Zunguruka, those areas of Kainama.
I am the outgoing Mountain Division Commander. It's once more a time to come and stand in this podium and hand over, as I received for the past 1 year and 9 months from Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga. First of all, I'd like to welcome General Richard Otto. And this division is one of the most unique divisions, and it is one of the most operational division of the UPDF. It therefore requires a lot of liaison, consultation, and looking at both a strategic and the tactical levels to ensure you perform to the expectations of the strategic leadership. General Richard Mine has come after a very wonderful, productive expose and elusive tour of duty of this most dreaded, I use the word dreaded, mountain division, very prestigious, action-packed, that has been something that I've loved throughout all the time that I've commanded this division. I will definitely cherish the great memories and thoughts of memories throughout my entire remaining life in service and on earth. History is already written in black and white and on the global media that once again a tour of duty has come to an end and we must move on. The new roles are not known to me other than you who will have to brief me, but the confidence of the leadership both from CLF, CDF and the Commander-in-Chief in me makes me believe that I could achieve it.
Major General Richard Otto. Before coming here, I was in Juba, South Sudan, sharing security supervisory mechanism, which represents our president, who is also the guarantor to South Sudan peace agreement. This operation would not have been successful if we were not allowed by the government of the Democratic Republic of Congo. So I would like to thank the President, the FRDC, our counterparts, and the population. The most important thing is the population for accepting us to operate in Eastern DRC. Thank you so much. And then finally, once again, to thank our Commander-in-Chief, who is also the President of the Republic of Uganda, for appointing me the Commander of Mountain Division. I've come to stay here, we shall always be together, and then at the appropriate time, we shall have time and interact. I'm aware of the operations in Congo, I'm aware of the challenges we shall handle, and I'm going to build on the achievements which was started by the Commander of Land Forces, who was the first commander of this division and Operation Susa in Congo. So, sir, with your guidance, I want to assure you that we are going to do that. We in UPDF, we regard civilians as our very important partners. Apart from our constitutional obligation of providing security to the nation and keeping them, we are like fish and water. Without civilians, we cannot survive. So I will, at a point time, I will call on you in your offices so that we know each other, and we need you to make us succeed in these operations, both inside here and in Congo.